Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, Aparna.
Hi, Shabana ma'am.
Video on for second. Okay, so we have, wow, I like that car. Thank you, Abdullah, for gifting me that car. And we have a Harry Potter. Harry Potter, or is it Harry Potter? Hi, Sophia, how are you? Okay. And Humaira, how are you feeling? You were unwell from last few days and you couldn't attend the session. I hope you're doing okay, Humaira.
Yes, ma'am. I'm feeling better now.
Okay, so now you know what? Today nobody's going to do any painting. Humaira is going to do for everybody, right, Humaira? You'll do it for us all, right? Okay, anyways, I think just continue with your painting. Today we should be finishing it, Aparna.
Yes, today we'll finish this painting.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Oh, wow, look at that. Can I see everybody's please before you start, if you don't mind? Wow.
Wow, that's lovely, Amina.
Amina, I know, seriously, I love that, snow peak
Yes,
effects you've
yes.
given. Beautiful. Sophia, your painting, please. Don't show me. She's saying she's doing this. Mama, look over here. No, you're supposed to go like this. Wow, Sophia.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Excellent. And I did this.
Lovely.
Amina, is this nice? I did it. You know,
Beautiful.
yeah,
Sophia,
I
very
know.
nice.
You know what? Farhana does all my painting. She shows as if she's done it. She's such a big
It is very
cheater.
nice.
Thank you, Sophia. I know you love me a lot. Thank you. So, Aparna ma'am, over to you.
Okay. So, hi, everyone.
You have somebody peeping in your class.
Yeah. Okay, who's a hi? Hello, Miss Red. How are you? Okay. Today we are going to make some few more elements in our painting and then finish it off. Okay. So today I'm going to start with the sun element, and we will also have a few more boats in the water and the reflection. Okay, so main we are going to learn today is how to make the reflection, because as you see, the water itself has no color, but it only reflects whatever uh, is above, like the sky. The blue color of the water is sky. Okay, can you please mute all of you? Mute yourselves, please.
Ma'am, do we need chalk?
No, we don't need chalk today. We are just going to directly use the paints. Okay. So let's start with the white color. I hope all of you have plates with you. Just use the back of the plate, okay? So it is more convenient to just lift the paint off.
Ma'am, I have to pour some white paint on the back of the plate.
Yeah, just pour a little bit. We'll take as and when we require, okay? Okay, so this is my palette. And I'm just going to remove a little bit of paint here.
What color, ma'am? What paint?
This is white acrylic paint. Okay. So now I want to make the sun element, which I want to just, now we already have yellow in the sky. So the only color that will stand out here is white, right? And it will also make the other colors a little more less gaudy. Okay, so the yellow and the red, which are actually looking very gaudy, will now not look so much. Okay, so here, after I have this sun element here, I'm also going to add a little white into the sky. So you can see I'm lifting the paint at the back of the knife. Okay, did you understand this, all of you?
Ma'am, what is below the sun?
That is just a cloud. That is also white.
In my yellow, the white is not being able to be seen.
Can I see it once? It will be visible. Yeah, it is visible. It is visible.
Ma'am, see?
Yeah, that's lovely. So you can just spread that white little bit here and there, just to show some clouds effect. Not too much. Mozam and Mudabbir, can I see y'all? Thank you. Humaira, Ahmed. Okay, now same way, the sun will also reflect in the water. But as the water is never stable, the reflection will never be as it is. It will just be a wave. You can just spread it like this. Spread some color like this to show the reflection of the sun. And just where we have done the clouds, below that you can just make, but it should be vague, not exactly how it is in the sky. So if you have realized, it is definitely easier to spread the paint when we had mixed it with chalk, right? So you see the difference? Yeah, who's that? Yes, Farhana. So all of you, did you feel the difference in applying the color when we use chalk powder and now when we are using the paint directly?
Yes, ma'am. When you are applying the paint directly, it was a little bit more harder to apply.
It was, sorry?
More harder to apply because the canvas is very hard.
Yeah, right. So that's the reason we use chalk powder. Okay, so normally you do get these kind of thick paints available, but not very easily available here in India. And if they are available, they are quite expensive. So that's why we did a cheap and easy method. So basically, this knife painting came into existence because there were some artists, they used to like doing only impression painting, only the impression of whatever elements they are drawing. And they would love making layers upon layer of color. Okay, so to give it a depth. So the depth in the painting came because of too many layers, and which was not possible using a brush, because paint and brush, it would go flat. So they started using knife. And if you see your canvas clearly, there will be a lot of cracks on it, on the paint. So that was the texture they loved giving in their painting. So if you see many paintings, if you see in some new galleries, you will see they are nice thick paint and there are a lot of cracks in it.
That's a lovely input you gave, Aparna, about how did knife painting start.
Yeah. So even if you are more interested in, any kind of art, and learning about it, very nice. Sophia, that's lovely. Can I just see the whole thing? Yeah. It's
Wow,
beautiful.
Sophia.
Beautiful.
I always thought a fire knife is used only for few things like, probably cutting, chopping.
And
And
applying butter.
when siblings are so angry with each other, they can just, stab each other with knife. In fact, I had a write session today about anger and, Sholay movie.
Okay.
And they were to enact the scene of Gabbar Singh and Veeru.
Okay.
Basanti, don't dance in front of these dogs. So,
You went mute, Shabana.
Sophia, beautiful, Sophia.
Yeah, it's really
Excellent,
beautiful.
excellent, excellent. It's so
I
beautiful,
love
Sophia.
the colors that everybody. In fact, I'm loving the colors. Everybody's painting is so different, and the colors are amazing.
And the mountain Sophia gave a slant effect is lovely.
Yes, yes,
Hmm. So, anyways, just continuing what I did with my
yeah.
rides today. And, can you imagine when I said they have to enact a scene, everybody was just talking about killing each other. It was that way. So, I guess you don't teach them knife painting, Aparna, ma'am, please.
Everybody done with this sun element? Can I just have a look at all your paintings?
Yeah, we've done. And okay, I'll show you mine also. Mine is, you know, where that name Aparna is there, that is my painting, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I didn't like it at all. I think
You didn't like my painting? Okay, thank you. Then don't worry. You can see my Mandela's painting. Come on, Mandela. Mausam Madabbir, Humaira.
White is not very much, but I added the white.
yeah,
Ahmad, videos on, please.
yeah, it's looking very nice. It's giving a beautiful effect. I loved it. Amina, it's lovely. Farana? Yeah, that's lovely. I love the texture. Beautiful. All of you have different textures also. Mozam and Mudabbir, Humaira, Ahmed. Why can't I see all?
They are Mr. India. That's why they have disappeared. You can't see it. Wow. Wow, Mausam.
Superb.
Excellent, man.
Superb.
And to think about it, they don't like arts much. My God, if you don't like arts and you're so good, so if you start liking arts, what will you do, Mausam Madabbir?
Awesome. See, Shabana Patel, didn't I tell you your painting was the worst?
Oh, yes. Should I say Aparna Shah or Aparna Himjan? Yes, absolutely. You know, whenever she has to make a point, Aparna ma'am, she'll take my full name, Shabana Patel. Yes, Ahmad, Humaira, Mudabbir.
Wow. Superb. Very nice.
Wow.
Lovely.
Mausam Mudabbir, a question for you. That knife, you used it on the canvas or on each other? Be honest. Come on, guys. I'll ask that
On the
to
canvas.
Amina. Are you sure? You all are so nice on the canvas. Safiya, did you use the knife on canvas or to scare Juwaria and Zaini?
Canvas.
Amina, be honest. Come on, I see the smile on your face.
Canvas.
No, you scared Aisha with it. I know that.
Yes, get scared with it. Literally.
Yes. Oh, Aisha. And what about you, Farhana?
No.
She scared me with that knife, you know.
Okay, let's go ahead now.
Yes, please.
Okay, so now we'll make some few more boats. And see, the main boat, which is the closest to us, that I have made it a little big. The rest of the boats, again, are going to be just impressions. So we take a little paint on the back of our knives like this. And I'm just going to... So once I do this, okay, so here, as of now, you will not realize what this is. Just keep coming down like this. That is a reflection which is falling in the water, okay? So this is the boat here, and then down you will be making the reflection. Okay, and then now just see, the way I'm using my knife, it's like this, slant, and I'm going to apply paint at the edge. And in the center of my boat, okay, so this is, because it's very far away, so it's looking very tiny.
Ma'am, there's another boat.
Yeah, this one, I just made one here. Okay, so it is just an impression. It just gives the feel of it.
Ma'am, what if the boat gets spoiled?
That's okay, absolutely. It's just an impression, so it will anyways look as if there is some object there. And
Safiya, the boat will not get spoiled. The only reason is whatever shape you give is the reflection, right? So, it could be the waves or it could be the sunlight effect, and that's the reason the boat is looking that way. So your boat is not spoiled at all. Okay, Sophia? Your boat is excellent the way it is. It is not at all spoiled. It's just that, there was sunlight effect, the wind effect, the waves effect, and that's the reason it looked that way. So don't worry, darling, go ahead.
So if you can see my boat, it doesn't look like a boat at all, and yours does look like a boat. Yes, Sophia, that's a nice one. Okay. So now, as many as you want, you can just keep making. So main important thing out here is the reflection. I want one more boat here.
So, Aparna, if you're done with the final touches, you can end the session earlier today. It's fine.
Okay. So yeah, we are almost done. I'm just waiting for all of you to finish it. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm just using some white paint here and there just to enhance the water effect. Okay, so here you can also use a little bit of blue color.
Ma'am, is two boats fine?
Yeah,
Instead of
it's
split?
okay. It's fine. I leave it up to you, how many ever you want. So I'm just using a little blue also.
Wow. Beautiful, Amina. Excellent.
Just a minute. Can I see it again, Amina? Sorry, I missed it. Lovely. Very nice.
The white really, highlights the painting.
Yes,
It's
yes,
like,
absolutely. It just puts in that depth also in the painting, and the painting just stands out because of the white. And always in a painting, there has to be something contrasting so that the painting looks more lively.
okay. So now this is one trivia, one point for you all to remember in future.
Yeah, that is. So I'm almost done with my painting, but I want to see all of yours. That's lovely. Safia, very nice. Can I see the whole thing? I couldn't see your whole painting.
You'll have to move it, yeah, towards your right, Safiya. Safiya, towards your right. Yeah, perfect.
Lovely, very nice.
Beautiful. Yes, Mosum Mudaffir, Humaira Ahmad, can we see your painting? Wow.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow.
Lovely.
Excellent, yeah. Ahmad, are you there, Ahmad? Yeah, could we see your painting, please? I think he's coming personally to show it to us because he just went away. Farhana, show your Farhana, ma'am. Wow, check Mudabbir also. Excellent.
Wow, Farhana, wow, Mudabbir, both of you, excellent, lovely.
Mudabbir, I love the mountains. Lovely stuff. Okay. The best thing I like about arts, it's not like maths and science, Aparna, wherein
Exactly.
whatever the teacher does, you have to copy the exact method. It's like in arts, you can be your own self, your creativity is there. So there's nothing like
Absolutely.
good or bad in arts. Even
And
if you
right
make
or wrong.
anything,
Yeah,
yeah, there's nothing like a right and wrong. So even if you're making not exactly like your teacher, or if you're making something different, according to you, it might not be good. You might think, "Arey yaar, kuch bhi ban raha hai, kuch bhi ho raha hai." Like, it's not that great like my teacher. But in creativity, it's not that way. Everything is beautiful in arts. Everything is lovely in arts.
absolutely. And to be very honest, the kind of painting that you all have done, I'm really, really impressed. I'm actually finding my painting the worst out of all of these. I'm so happy with all of your work. This is beautiful, Humaira. Wow, superb.
Lovely stuff,
But,
Omega.
but my boat is not visible.
It is visible. I can see it so clearly. Yeah, maybe because your yellow shade is very light, so
I
you're
can also
feeling it.
see her boat.
Yeah, it's very much visible. It's very nice. And please do not compare your painting to mine. So whatever y'all have done, it's fantastic. I'm so impressed. I'm impressed with each and every painting. Ahmed, I wish I could see your painting too.
I think Ahmad hasn't completed his work, probably that's why he's not showing. So can we end the session, Aparna?
Yes, sure. We can end the session here.
Okay, so thank you very much for this session, everybody. I hope you all had a great time. Next time we'll come with something different.
Yes. See you all next week.
Okay, then. Thank you so much,
Bye
Aparna.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.